Good afternoon, dear children. In previous class we have recited two poems. One is The Donkey and another is I Had a Little Pony. I hope you enjoyed the poem and we have learned new words also. Today we will proceed towards exercise of the poem. So let's start. Question number 1. Another word for wallop is dash. Would the child hit the donkey? So wallop means to hit hard. I already told you that another word for wallop is lashed. Lashed also meaning to hit hard. So another word for wallop is lashed. Would the child hit the donkey? No. The child does not hit the donkey. Instead, he loves the donkey. Question number 2. What would the child give the donkey? The child, you already read in the poem that the child gave hay and some corn to the donkey. So here answer of this question is, what would the child give the donkey? The child would give the donkey hay and some corn to eat. Question number 3. You can see these three pictures. What is a pony? A baby dog, a baby horse, a baby cat. Pony means a baby horse. I already told you, students. Question number 4. What did the lady do to the pony? The lady whipped and lashed him. The lady whipped and lashed the pony. Option B is correct. Question number 5. What did the child decide to do? The child decided to never lend the pony to the lady again. Here also option B is correct. Now let us proceed to next question. Let's talk. Question number 1. Have you seen people beating animals? What do you think of such people? Yes, some people beat animals. These people, I think these people does not have heart. They do not understand that animals do not cannot speak and cannot express their feelings. So we should not beat the animals. Question number 2. Do you ever tease animals? What do you think that you should be kind to them? No, we do not tease animals. I do not tease animal. Do you think that you should be kind to them? Yes, we should be kind to them. We should instead love them and should give them food to eat. Question number 3. Tell your friends about some unusual pets that you have seen. Sometimes you must have seen some unusual pets. Like some people take dog as pet, but some people take something else as a pet, some animal else which usually some people doesn't take. So tell your friends about unusual pets like pony and donkey and monkey. This is unusual pets. So proceeding further, say aloud: donkey, monkey, turkey, hire, fire, mire, hare, fair, mare, mile, smile, pile, male, snail, pale. Students, you should also say aloud like I said. Word building. Question number 1. Stable. Where can we find a stable? Stable means a place where horse live. This is, you can see the picture here. This is the place where horse live. So the place where horse live is called stable. So we can find stable in villages, in farms. Name all the question number 2. Name all the animals that live in stable. A horse lives in stable, and cows, buffalo also lives in stables. Stable. Question number 3. Make two words from stable by removing letters from the beginning. So we have to removing s. It will become table here. Write down table in this in this blank. And if we remove s and t both, it will become able. Write down able here in this blank. Moving forward toward next question, let's write a paragraph about your pet or animal you love. So if you keep any pet, write about it, its name, and what you give to eat, and uh, what you do together, so how you spend your time together, so how it is very important for you. And if you don't have any pet in your house, you can write about any animal you love. So write these lines, students, by yourself. It is your homework. Filling the blanks with words that rhyme with corn, born, no, you can write any rhyming word, no, so, low, snow, mire, higher. The cruel boy. The monkey is in a cage. A boy looks at the monkey. He gives it a sweet. The monkey opens the paper. There is stone inside. The poor monkey is sad. Cruel boy. Cruel boy has given stone to monkey, and monkey was very hungry. So he mischiefs with monkey. So we should not do like this. They hope something for us, but if we uh, make prank for them, it will be very cruel. God will give us punishment to tease animals. So on the basis of this poem, there is some right and wrong. First is, the monkey is in the forest. No, wrong. The monkey is in cage. The boy gives the monkey a stone. Yes, the boy gives the monkey a stone. Third, the monkey thinks it is a sweet. Yes, monkey thought it is a sweet, but it was not sweet. Fourth, so third is right. Fourth, the monkey likes sweets. Yes, monkey likes sweets. The monkey is sad. Yes, the monkey is sad. So in the next class we will study next chapter, the milkman cow. So students, this is your homework. Do question answer, and this word building, and this paragraph, and rhyming words, and this the cruel boy. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.